Okay, good morning all. We are going to start our next data structure, and data structure is named as basically tree data structure. Okay. Now, a tree data structure is a data structure in which you arrange data in the form of a hierarchical order, like this. So when you arrange your data in a hierarchical order, we can call it a which data structure? Please participate. Tree data structure. Tree data structure, of course. Where A is called your root node, or also called parent node, and B and C are the children nodes or child nodes. Okay. Children node or child nodes. And we have another type of tree like this. So what is the difference between the two? Please participate.
सर एक में 3 चिल्ड्रन नोड है सर और एक में 2 है।
Exactly. That is why we call it general tree. I need maximum of your participation for today's lecture because I told you this lecture is going to be very important for you. And this tree is called basically the binary tree. The tree in which you cannot have more than 2 children. Okay? Difference is clear? Where you are having maximum 2 children, binary child. Where you are having more than 2 children, it is called
general tree.
General tree. Okay? Now, should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us see a few definitions. Suppose A, this is my tree, A, B, C, D, K. It is general tree or binary tree?
General tree.
Binary tree, sir.
It is binary tree. It is binary tree because in no case I am having more than 2 children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, its children is 1. It is having 2. It is having 2. Where A is called your root node or
Parent node.
Parent node. Exactly. Suppose I say there is further extension T and S. Now, if you check D, K, T, S, ये ऐसे child है जिनके आगे node नहीं है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are called leaf node. Leaf nodes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And the collection of leaf nodes, if you represent like this, it is called yield of the tree. Is it clear? Collection of leaf nodes is called yield of the tree. Now, should I erase it? And if you note one thing here, this is the root node or the parent node, this is the left subtree, and this is the right subtree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Left subtree and right subtree. Now let us see a few more definitions here. Okay, suppose I say A, B, C. It is my A tree. Suppose D, E, F. It is my B tree. A, B, C. It is my C tree. तो कितने ट्री है मेरे पास?
सर दो तो सेम हो गए सर A, B.
हाँ नहीं ट्रीज कितने हैं? 3.
3 sir.
3 trees. If you say if you see tree A and tree B, we will call it similar trees because their shape is same. So A and B are similar trees because their shape is same. But if you say A and C, their shape is same and elements are also same.
Equal trees.
So we will call it copy tree.
Copy.
Difference is clear? When the shape is same, structure is same, we call it similar tree. When structure is same, elements are same, we call it
Copy tree.
copy tree. Definition is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, few more definitions here. If I say my tree is this: A, B, C, D, L, M, J. It is general tree or binary tree?
Binary tree,
Binary
sir.
tree, exactly binary tree. And we are seeing two definitions here. What do you mean by depth of the tree or height of the tree? Height of the tree. And what do you mean by level of the tree? So we are seeing two definitions here. And if you see, this A is on level 0. This B and D are on level 1. This C, L, M are on level 2. And J and K are on level 3. So on tree, we are having elements in the form of various levels. Level is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you mean by depth and height of tree? If you see this tree, so this tree has various branches. A, B, C, A, D, L, A, D, M, J, A, D, M, K. These are the various what? Branches of the tree. Okay? Now tell me, in any branch, how many nodes we have? Maximum nodes.
2, sir, max.
This is 3. This is 3.
Yes, sir. 3.
This is 4. This is 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So depth of this tree is
4.
the maximum number of nodes in any branch of tree is called
Depth of the
the
tree.
depth
sir.
of the tree. See, now this branch has 3. This branch ADL has 3. ADMJ has 4. ADMK has 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Depth definition is clear. The maximum number of nodes in the branch of tree is called depth. Now there is a relation between the depth and the level. Depth is always level plus 1. Depth is 4. Level is 3 plus 1. Hence proved. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
They're only for binary trees.
Only for binary tree. We are only talking about binary tree. Rarely we will talk about general tree. Should I move now? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we have a definition of what do you mean by a complete binary tree. So complete binary tree is a binary tree again, in which you are having 2 child for each parent except the last level. Suppose I say A, B, C, D, E, F. This tree is a complete binary tree. Every node is having 2 child except the last level. Last के 2 पूरे नहीं है, if you see. Yes or no? Yes, sir.
Again, repeat, sir.
I repeat. Complete binary tree is a binary tree in which you are having 2 child for each parent except the last level. Last level छोड़ के. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, next definition we have is, what do you mean by extended binary tree? Today's lecture is going to be very challenging shortly. So please see things very carefully. Next tree is extended binary tree, also called 2 tree. Extended binary tree or also called
2, 3.
2 tree. So which tree I am having? Binary tree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, extended binary tree or two tree is a tree which is having either 0 child or 2 child. Now, this is a binary tree. I'm going to make its extended binary tree. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now see how we can do it. So you see this node, its right child is missing. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
I will attach a square to it. Its left and right are missing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
I will
please
attach.
repeat.
I repeat. See, this was the tree I had. Yes or no? And its right child is missing. Please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
I will
sir.
attach a square to it. Its left and right are missing.
Yes, sir.
So I will attach two squares to it, left and right. Similarly, left and right. Similarly, left and right. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see this nodes in round, these are my internal nodes. And these nodes in square are my called
External.
external nodes.
External.
And there is a relation between internal node, basically IN, internal nodes, and IE, that is your external nodes. External node is always internal node plus 1. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Internal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence proved.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? This is true.
Yes, sir.
So nodes in square are basically my external node, and node in round are my internal nodes. Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
So you did two relations today. Depth is always level plus 1, and external node is always internal node
Plus.
plus 1. Okay. Now next. How you represent your tree in memory. So representation of your binary tree in memory. If you remember, you did this topic for every data structure. Earlier, you did a representation of array in memory. Then 1D, 2D, row major order, column major order, 3D, row major order, column major order. Then you did representation of linked list and memory. Then you did representation of stack using arrays and linked list. Then you did representation of queues using arrays and linked list. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this topic you studied for every data structure. Now we are today we are going to see how a tree will be stored in memory. Now, a tree is like this. Suppose I say A, B, G, K, L, and M. Okay, please make this example on your copy, because I want you people to solve it parallelly with me.
Sir, what have you written in the heading, please?
A representation of binary tree in memory. Now I know for a tree we have a root, we have a left, and we have a right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let us store this tree into the memory. So I have my root, I have left, I have what I have, right. So nodes are A, anywhere I will write randomly. A, B, G, K, L, M. Okay. So what is my root?
A.
A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The root is A. That is true? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear? Root is A. Root
Yes,
is
sir.
A on 2. And what is left of A?
B.
B. B is on which number?
5.
5. So A's left will be. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is right of A?
G.
G. And G is on number
3, sir.
3.
3. So right will be.
3.
Similarly, B. B's left is
K,
K.
K. K is on.
6,
So
6.
B's left will be.
6.
And B's right is null. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you make this table for me?
Yes, sir.
Because see, L and M, their left right are 0. So L and M left and right will be 0. Because they have no node further.
K, sir.
Now G. G is having L as left. L is on 1. So G's left will be 1.
1.
G's right is M. M is on.
7, sir.
So 7.
And
So this is how we store our tree into memory. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Should I erase it?
Sir, is it safe? It is saved as in memory as parallel arrays.
We can save as arrays also, and we can using linked lists also, because we are having 2 pointers left and right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Should I erase it now? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the topic I'm going to start now. The full lecture will be on the same topic. So please, this is the important topic of your syllabus. That is called traversing of binary tree. What do you mean by traversing?
Processing each
Processing.
element.
Processing, exactly, processing. And trust me, this question will surely come in your final exam in one or the other way, and in your placement paper also. So please see this topic very, very, very carefully. If I say this is the most important topic of your syllabus, so I'm not wrong. Okay. So there are 3 types of traversal of tree. One is called pre-order. One is called in order. And one is called post order. How many types I have? Pre-order, in order, and please respond.
Post order.
Post order. Pre-order, in order,
in-order.
post order. And we know in tree we have 3 things: root, left hand,
Right.
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 तो A B C तीनों के लिए मैंने लिख लिया A B C. Pre says root first. Pre पहले. In means root in the middle, and post says root at the last. This is clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
left हमेशा right से पहले. Left always preferred over right. आसान है तरीका याद रखने का. Otherwise students cram it. Pre-order is root left right, in order is left root right, post order is left right root. But it is very easy to remember. Pre-order says root first, in order says root in the middle, post order says root at the last, and left हमेशा right से पहले. Is it easy to remember now?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is not that easy that it seems to be. Please see this topic now very carefully. I'm going to start it. So I have a tree A, B, C. What will be its pre-order? root left right, root left right. So pre-order will be ABC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In order says left root right, left root right. So in order will be BAC. And post order says left right root, left right root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
Pre-order says root left right, root left right. In order says left root right, and post order says left right root, left right root. Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to solve 3-4 trees, and we are going to write its pre-order, in order, and post order. A, G, K, L, M, P, Q. Please note this tree on your copies. We are going to write its pre-order. Pre-order says what?
A G
Root
L
left
M.
right.
Pre-order says root
A,
left
G,
right.
L-
Left right.
Root is
A,
left is,
G.
but I cannot go to right because left is not complete.
yes, sir.
Now root left right.
L, M,
Root हो गया, left हो गया, now right. Root left right.
Q, P.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please repeat.
I repeat. Pre-order says root left right. So root A, left G. I cannot go to right because left is not done yet. So root left right. Root is done, left is done. Now right. So right के लिए फिर वही root left right. The formula of pre-order. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next is in order. In order says
Left root right.
left root right. So for left, you need to do what? You need to pick the root and go to the leftmost. Left, root, right. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
आपको लेफ्ट मोस्ट में जाना है. लेफ्ट रूट राइट. तो लेफ्ट इज डन. नाउ रूट. अब क्या करना है? राइट. तो राइट के फिर कहां जाएंगे? लेफ्ट मोस्ट. लेफ्ट रूट राइट. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
और आई शुड रिपीट?
Please repeat.
Okay. In order says what?
Left root right.
Left root right. So what is the leftmost?
L.
L. Left
L.
root right. LGM. Yes or no?
Yes.
So left
Yes.
is done.
Yes.
After left we do root.
Root. Yes.
And then right. Right is a tree. Again go to the leftmost.
Yes.
Left root right. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now post order. Post order says what?
Left, right, root.
Left right root. What is the leftmost?
Yes, L,
Left. Then right. Then root.
G.
Left
फिर again.
right root.
Yes, sir.
Now left is done. Left के बाद क्या करेंगे? Right. Then right का वही. Left right root.
P, Q, K.
Left right root. Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
And trust me, this question will come in one or the other form in the final examination. Please do it very carefully. I will share its tutorial sheet today also in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Should I erase it? Should we do one more tree?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. One.
Okay. We will do 2, 3, 4 trees so that you are comfortable with it. Now, B, G, K, L, P, Q, S T V M N Okay, have you noted down this three? So tell me what will be its pre-order? Please, I want you people to solve it.
B,
B,
B, sir. G,
G,
K.
K,
K. K.
yes, sir. L, P, Q, S, T, V, M, N.
root left, right, root left, right. Root left, right, root left, right. This is the formula for pre-order, root left, right.
Yes, sir.
Now, in order says what?
K, left root right, sir.
left root right. So leftmost is
K.
then root,
K, sir. G,
then right is a tree. Again go to the leftmost. Left,
E, sir.
root, right.
L, Q, B, yes, sir.
Now left is done. Left के बाद क्या करते हैं? Root. अब right. तो right में again leftmost. Left, root, left root, right. Is it clear?
M, N, yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, post order. Post order says left, right, root. What is the leftmost?
Yes, sir.
K.
K के बाद left, then right. The right is a tree. Again go for left,
T.
right, root. Left, right, root. Is it clear till this?
Yes, sir.
Left, then right. Left, right, root. Left, right, root. Now left is done. Go for right. Leftmost. Left, right, root. Left, right, root. Left, right, root. Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
Please, everyone respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this? Should we solve one more tree?
Yes, sir.
But the tree, now I will write, you people will solve. Okay? So you can do one thing. You can make up 7 to 10 trees of your choice and your right pin in post and get it checked by me. Okay? Now Z, L, M, Q, T, V, S, P, L, N, B. Okay. Pre-order.
Z, L,
Z.
L,
बाकी लोग भी बोले Z, L,
M,
M,
फिर P, sir.
Q. It is Q.
Q, yes, sir. Q, T,
T,
V, S,
B,
Yes.
S. उसके बाद
T, sir.
P,
L, in B.
is it easy now?
yes, sir.
Should we go? Pre-order is clear to everyone. Should we go for in order?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In order.
पहले M, sir.
M,
L,
L,
फिर T, sir.
T.
फिर P, sir.
हाँ.
Q, sir.
Left
Q, sir.
root. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Q है.
Then,
फिर S, sir.
then,
S, V.
then.
L, sir.
हाँ. Left के बाद root भी तो
Z,
करना है.
Z, sir. Z.
Yes, then.
L, फिर P, फिर B.
Then B.
N.
And
Is it okay now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in order says left root right, left root right, left root right, left root right is not there, छोड़ दो. Left is done, then root Z, then right, left root right, left root right is not there, छोड़ दो. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the post order.
M.
M.
Q.
M
Yes. Next.
M.
C आएंगे सर.
M के बाद
M T S
MTS.
फिर B P L.
बिल्कुल सही. Then sorry L दो बार है इसमें मेरे से गलती हुई है.
फिर
L I have
L.
written 2 times. Okay.
Yes.
Then
हाँ फिर again सर L फिर B
Yes.
फिर N
yes.
L B N T और फिर लास्ट Z.
सही है.
Yes, sir.
तो post order says left right root, left M right. तो right is a tree. अगर ये Q होता मैं सीधा ले लेता left right root. But it is a tree. Again go for left. Left right. Left right root, left right root, left right root. Then left के बाद right. Left right, left right root, left right root, left right root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
or it is tough? Should I make one more tree?
The same name के दो notes हो सकते हैं.
नहीं मेरे से गलती एक्चुअली ये गलती मेरे से हुआ है. ऐसा होता नहीं है जनरली. Because traversing says process one element only once. तो L दो बार आ रहा है ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. मेरे से गलती हुआ है. Now let us make another tree. P. Should I make a bit difficult?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
L. S.
Yes, sir.
P. N. Oh, sorry. L again. N. M. U. B. D. E. Suppose O and Z. If you solve this tree, then you will be able to solve any tree.
Okay.
Pre-order.
Sir.
So पहले
Yes.
P, sir.
P.
Sir.
Q
Q.
L
L.
S
S. Oh, sorry. Again, there's a problem. P is 2 times. To note it to R. हाँ जी. P Q L S then
S के बाद R, sir.
R.
फिर N
N.
N
M.
M U
U.
sir. फिर again goes to
B,
B, sir.
B.
D
फिर
D.
D. फिर E.
फिर E O
Z.
Easy है.
yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So root left right, root left, root left, root left is not there, right? Then root left right is not there, leave it. Root left is not there, right? Root
Very
left,
nice.
right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In order, tell me the in order.
पहले होगी sir L.
क्यों left तो है नहीं? In order says what?
Left root
Root right.
right.
तो we take the leftmost, but leftmost is missing. L का left नहीं है. तो उसके बाद हम क्या लेंगे?
Root L
Yes, sir. L
S S
S
Q
फिर
R. I'm sorry. M.
so Q
R.
Q नहीं हो sir. Q तो
क्या हो गया? Left नहीं है. Left root right.
U
Left
yes
root.
L is Q, sir.
ठीक तो जा रहा है?
Yes, sir. फिर N फिर
हाँ.
R, sir.
हाँ.
U.
फिर आप M, sir.
M.
U, sir. फिर M.
U
M.
उसके बाद
फिर again go P, sir.
P.
P.
भूल नहीं जाना है. रूट लेफ्ट रूट है. हाँ जी, अब next.
D sir. D.
D,
B.
Then
O.
O,
E,
then E, Z.
D.
हो गया?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
मुश्किल है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलिए, थोड़ी देर में पता चलेगा कितना मुश्किल है ये. पर actually you need to do what? You need to just practice it, and this problem will be resolved. Now, post order.
पहले S sir. फिर L.
Exactly.
फिर अगेन कम, फिर सर आ जाएगी N सर.
U,
फिर M. यस U. फिर
Q,
M.
R, Q,
R Q. Yes, sir.
Left,
फिर again
right,
कम.
root. Left is done. Now right. Left, right, left, right, root, left, right, root, left, right, root. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Confidence की आवाज में कम लग रहा है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now right.
Yes sir.
Left के बाद right. Tell me.
D sir.
D कैसे हो सकता है?
D.
D भी नहीं हो सकता.
O.
O.
Oh,
sir.
yes. Left is not there.
Z.
Left के बाद right करते
Yes
हैं.
sir.
Root is
Left.
after that. O Z
O
E.
Z.
E.
E.
B.
D.
E.
B.
D.
B.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy
sir.
now? Or you want
Yes,
to do
sir.
one more tree?
One more.
One more tree. Should I erase this? Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us do one more tree. I will take complexity to one more level. Because ऐसे tree से मुश्किल tree नहीं आता. The tree you solved recently. P L Q T V Z P N M S B D E. देख लीजिए कोई डुप्लीकेट तो नहीं हुआ है. P
Sir, P,
R और कोई डुप्लीकेट तो नहीं हुआ? नहीं हुआ. Now tell me the pre-order.
P.
P
P.
L.
L
Q.
Q
T.
T
V.
V
Z.
Z
R.
R
N.
N
M.
M.
M
S.
S
B.
B
D.
D. E.
Perfect. Perfect. In order.
पहले सर Q.
Q
Q.
L.
L
L.
फिर V सर.
B
फिर T.
T
R.
R
Z.
Z
M.
M
N.
N
फिर P सर.
P.
फिर D.
ये गलती कैसे होती है?
S. S सर.
S.
फिर D. B. E.
Perfect. Everybody is clear how this output came? So left right root, left root right, 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 left, then P root, then right, left, then root S, then right, left root right. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now post order. Tell me the post order.
The Q.
Q,
Q.
V, R, M.
हाँ
Q,
देखो
V.
अब क्या हो रहा है? आपकी स्पीड बढ़ गई करने की.
Q.
Yes, sir.
Q V
Q, V,
R.
R,
R
M,
M
M.
N
N, Z,
Z
Z.
T L
L,
D.
P,
D
E.
E
E, B,
B.
D.
F,
S.
P.
P sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Very good. अब कर पाएंगे इसको?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us take this problem to another level. अभी तक क्या था? You had a tree and you were writing pre-order, in-order and post-order. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now let us take this problem to another level. Okay. A tree A, Z, P, L, M, S, Q. What is its pre-order?
A, Z,
A, Z,
L,
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 M,
M,
P, S, Q.
P, S, Q.
E, S,
Exactly.
Q.
What is in order?
L, Z, M,
L, Z, M,
A, sir,
A.
S,
S, P, Q.
लीजिए जी. This question will come in the paper. Pre-order, in-order is given and make tree of it. Go in reverse. First you had tree, you were writing pre-order, in-order. And now you have pre-order, in-order, make the tree. Now this tree you will make must satisfy both at the same time. Now what problem, mistakes students generally do in this? They make a separate tree for pre-order, separate tree for in-order. But we have to make a single tree which satisfies both at the same time. Got the problem?
Yes, sir.
Now pre-order says A is the root. Because pre-order is root left right. If pre-order is given, first item is the root of the tree. Always. Root left right,
Yeah.
na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if the in-order is given to you, if in-order is given to you, half of the problem is solved. How? A is the root, A is here. The tree you will make, these will be the left element, these will be the right elements. तो आधी प्रॉब्लम मेरी सॉल्व हो गई. मुझे पता चल गया रूट क्या है, लेफ्ट में कौन से आने हैं, राइट में कौन से आने हैं. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us solve it. A is the root, root के बाद left. But I don't know L इधर आना है या इधर आना है. But in-order is telling me Z के left में L है. क्योंकि left root होता है. Left root right. Check pre-order. A, Z, L, M. Perfect. In order. L, Z, M, A. Perfect. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Next
Yes,
term
sir.
is, next term is,
Please repeat.
I
it
repeat,
from
I
the
repeat, I repeat, I repeat,
starting.
I repeat. This is clear. Pre-order is telling A is the root.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And these are the left element, these are the right elements. Because if in-order is given to you and you know the root, you check where is the root is here. These will be the left element and these will be the right elements of the tree. Now, A के बाद root के बाद left Z. But L I don't know. L is here or L is here. But in-order is telling me L is in the left of Z. Because left root. And let us try right here. Sorry. This L. Check pre-order. A, Z, L, M. A, Z, L, M. Check in order. L, Z, M, A. Perfect. Now, next sum is
S, P, Q.
S, P, Q, sir. S, left.
P. Next sum is P, na, in pre-order. P. But in order is telling me in P's left I have. Because left root right होता है ना उसमें. तो P के left
Yes,
में
sir.
S है. Check P, S, Q. Root left right. Check in order. Left root right. Left root right. The same tree should satisfy pre-order and in order. Pre-order in order. The problem which is given to you. And in same way, it may be post-order and post-order and in order is given to you. Suppose I write its post-order. So what will be its post-order? What will be its post-order? Tell me.
L, M,
L,
M,
M,
Z.
Z,
S,
फिर S, Q, P,
Q,
A.
P.
Because
A, sir.
suppose the pre-order is not given to you, but post-order is given. So last element will be the root. Again check in order where is A. These are the left element, these are the right element. The pre-order first element will tell you the root. Post order last element is the root. Because post में root last में करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But suppose in order is not given. Because it may be you are given pre and in, maybe you are given post and in, maybe you are given pre and post. So what will be the pre-order? Tell me.
A,
L,
A,
A,
Z,
Z, L,
L, M,
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 P, S, Q.
L, M, sir.
So P, S, Q.
Is it okay now?
yes, sir.
Now see the combination. Post order is telling A is the root. Pre-order is telling A is the root. Perfect. This means problem is okay. Pre-order में पहले root आता है. Post order में last में root आता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose the problem which is given to you in the paper is not having A here. Any term Z here. Suppose it is written like this. So this problem is incorrect. This is insolvable because post order is telling A is the root, pre-order is telling Z is the root. It is not possible. So this problem is insolvable. We cannot solve it because this problem is incorrect. Sometime this may happen with you in paper because if you remember a few 4 to 5 years back, a university had sent a question paper in which a tree was to be made from pre-order and in order, but the problem was pre-order and in order was contradicting each other. Pre-order was telling element should be here, in order was telling element should be here. Suppose I tell you the case. See, but अब tension तो नहीं हो गई because it may be the case the problem which is given to you, its tree is not possible. Now tell me, what will be its pre-order? Pre-order.
A, L, A, Z, L, M,
L, M,
P, S, Q, sir.
And what is in order?
L, Z, M,
N, Z, M,
A, sir. फिर A, फिर S, P, Q.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose गलती से मैं जानबूझ के S को यहां ले आऊं तो इसका ट्री बन पाएगा कभी?
No, sir.
नहीं बन पाएगा बिकॉज प्री ऑर्डर बोलेगा यहां आना चाहिए, इन ऑर्डर बोलेगा यहां आना चाहिए, बट यहां पे है. The question, the such type of questions like probability is very less, maybe 5 to 10%. But don't imagine like आपसे solve नहीं हो रहा तो don't assume that it is incorrect. 90 to 95% chances में the correct problem will be given to you. Its solution will be possible. Only 5% chances are there in which the solution is not possible. चलें आगे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what applications you did for stack. Stacks applications, please tell me.
Recursion,
Recursion,
bubble sort,
infix to postfix conversion,
infix to postfix conversion,
bubble sort,
quick sort.
quick sort,
Dynamic.
Postfix evaluation.
See,
Postfix evaluation.
exactly. Recursion, quick sort, infix to postfix conversion, and postfix evaluation. Yes or no? But now we are going to see another application. Stacks also help you to traverse your trees. Okay? Please. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I have a tree A, C, E, F, B, D, G, H, and K. This is the tree I have. I'm going to solve the same example which is given in your book. Okay? But before that, let us do a few polls. Let us do poll. Okay, first poll on your screen right now. Should I end this poll now? Because it is having only one question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to end this poll now. So tree stores data in which form? Hierarchical form. Now, poll 2. The two relations to you did today. There are 2 questions. Please attempt the second question also. Should I end this poll now? Okay. So the relation between depth and level is depth is level plus 1. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And external node is always internal node
Internal plus one.
plus 1. Exactly, exactly. Very right. Poll 3. Please attempt it fast. Ten more seconds. Okay, I'm going to end this now. So pre-order is
Root left, right.
root left, right. And in order is
Left, root, right.
Left, root, right.
and post order is
Left, root,
Right,
right.
root.
left, right, root. Exactly. Now let us do the traversing of this tree. Okay. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a tree chapter we are doing. We did some definitions. And this is the similar tree and copy tree concept. हमने पढ़ा था सुबह याद है? Similar tree and copy tree. A
Yes,
and
sir.
D are similar trees. A and C are copy trees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we did few definitions: complete binary tree, extended binary tree. Then we did this representation of tree in the memory. Then we did this traversal. Root left right, left root right, left right root. But now we are going to start this stack tree traversal using stack. So what is written on the screen? Traversal algorithm using stacks. So stacks also help you to basically traverse your tree. Okay. So let us start. So say the same tree is on the screen and the same tree is on your both camera and your screen. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will solve this tree. Please again the same thing which I tell you. I have told you 100 times. If you do a good example of it, then algorithm will be nothing. So pre-order I'm going to solve it using this. Pre-order. Which technique? Pre-order says
Root left, right.
root left right. So I will use stack for it. I will use stack for it. And stack first step is stack may I will put phi. Phi means null. Because this null at end will tell me that whole tree has been traversed. Okay? Is it clear?
Sir, repeat.
See, I'm telling you, first step is stack में हमने क्या डाला है? 5. 5 means null, because this null at end will tell me the whole tree has been traversed.
Okay.
We are traversing, na? Using
Yes,
which
sir.
technique?
Pre-order.
Pre-order. So what I will do? Second step. Pointer will be at root. And which is root node?
A.
And pre-order says what? Root,
Left, right.
left,
Right.
right. तो पॉइंटर कहां पे है? रूट पे, ए पे. तो ए को क्या कर दो? In short, I tell you, pre-order method says process the root, put the right element onto the stack and move to left. So pointer is an A. Root. I started from root. I processed A and put C to stack. उसका right कहां डाल देंगे stack में? तो what stack has? Stack had 5. तो stack में मैंने क्या डाल दिया? Is it clear? Please respond.
Sir, repeat कर दो.
I repeat. See, I told you what pre-order says what? Root left, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what do you do? Process the root, put the right element onto the stack and move to the left of tree. Always you have to do same thing in pre-order. Process root, put the right element onto the stack and move to left. What I said? Process
Yes.
root, put the right element onto the stack and move to
Right.
left. I repeat, process root, put the right element onto the stack and move to left. Why we put the right element onto the stack? Because after root के बाद मुझे क्या process करना है? Left. Pre-order है ना?
Yes, sir.
How I will know what is my right? Stack will tell me what is my right. That is why when I process the root, I put the right element onto the stack. So see, first step, stack 5, process A, process the root and put the right element onto the stack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And move to left. Pointer will be on B. Now B is the root. Again process it. So is B having any right?
No, sir.
No. अगर होता तो मैं स्टैक में डाल देता. तो मेरे पास नहीं है. तो I will move again to left.
Yes, sir.
Pointer is equal to D. Now D is a root. Process D. Now when process D, D का right है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो उसको मैं कहाँ डाल दूंगा?
Stack में.
Stack में.
और कहाँ चला जाऊंगा? Left.
Left.
Again I repeat, do the same step again and again. Process root, put the right element onto the stack and move to
Left.
Now process G. When you process G, the tree ended. G का आगे left नहीं है, right नहीं है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो next element जो right पे है ये आपको कौन देगा? Stack. So pointer will come on H. Pop H from stack. Pointer will be on H.
Yes, sir.
Process H. H को प्रोसेस करेंगे तो इसका राइट कहां डाल देंगे?
Stack में.
स्टैक में. तो stack is phi, C and K. Yes or no? So when you
Yes.
process root, you put the right element to the stack, you move to the left, but there is no left. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The next element will be again given by
Stack.
stack. Which is that element?
K.
K. Process K. Pop K and process it. Now K has no left, no right. अगर इसका right होता तो मैं उसको stack में डाल देता. So next element in stack we have is, please tell. C. तो pointer will be on C. तो pointer will be on C. Process C. और इसका right
F stack में
F stack में डाल देंगे और pointer कहाँ चला जाएगा?
E पे
E पे. E को process करेंगे.
yes sir
Left right नहीं है, खत्म.
yes sir
Next element कौन देगा?
stack
Pointer F पे आएगा, इसको process करेंगे और stack में 5 बच जाएगा. इसका मतलब है full tree we have traversed already. Same thing we are doing again and again. Process root, put the right element to stack and move to left. Process B, put the right element to the stack and move to left. Process D, put the right element H to the stack and move to left. Process G. Now G has no left right. Next element will be given by stack. Process H, move K to stack, C and K, and move to left. But H has no left. Next element again will be given by stack K. Process K. K has no left and right. So end. Stack has C. Process C. So when we process root, what we do? We put the right element onto the stack and move to left. Process root, put the right element to the stack and move to left. Always, always, always. In case of which traversal?
Pre-order.
Pre-order. Method is clear?
Yes, sir.
If you see the same problem I have solved on the board, the same problem is in front of you on the screen. जो मैंने बोला, देख रहे हैं आप? I processed pointer is on A. I processed A and its right is C. C को stack में डाल दिया. और कहां चले गए? B पे. Process B. Then उसका left D. D का right क्या है? H. I put it on the stack. The full method is given. See, step by step. Is it easy? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Should we go for its algo?
Yes, sir.
This is the algo. Trust me, it is very easy. It is very easy if you know the method. So what technique we did? Process the root. Put the right element onto the
Stack.
and move to
Left.
और जब लेफ्ट मिलना बंद हो जाए तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट कहां से लेंगे?
Stack से.
बस सारा एल्गोरिथम आपने बोल दिया. See, first step, top is 1, stack 1, 5, null, pointer will start from root. So repeat while pointer is not null. Please don't make noise. So process pointer is at which location? Root? Yes or no? And root node is A node? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो थर्ड स्टेप प्रोसेस ए प्रोसेस करने के बाद हम क्या करते हैं? राइट चाइल्ड को कहां डाल देते हैं? स्टैक में. तो सी द फोर्थ स्टेप, राइट चाइल्ड क्वेश्चन मार्क. इट इज आस्किंग यू डू यू हैव राइट चाइल्ड? तो आई एम राइटिंग इफ राइट पॉइंटर इज नॉट नल. नॉट नल मींस राइट चाइल्ड है. तो उसको कहां डाल देंगे? स्टैक में डालने के लिए टॉप को क्या करना पड़ता है?
कुछ
इंक्रीमेंट. एंड स्टैक के टॉप में राइट डाल देंगे. फोर्थ स्टेप इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Process the root and put the right element onto the stack. And fifth step is what? Left child question mark. Check. Do you have right left child? If left pointer is not null, इसका मतलब left है, तो pointer is equal to left for pointer. हम left में चले जाएंगे. Else मतलब अगर left मिलना बंद हो जाए तो next element कहां से लेते हैं?
Stack से.
Stack से. तो stack के top से element लिया, top -1 हो गया. See, this is the algo.
yes
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or it is difficult? See, again, the strategy for three order is same. Process the root, put the right child onto the stack, and move to left. Fifth step देखिए, if left of pointer is not null, मतलब left है, तो pointer is equal to left of pointer, हम left में चले जाएंगे. Else Else means there is no left. From where we take the next element?
Stack.
Stack. The pointer is equal to stack of top. Stack it off से element लिया top -1 because when we top decrements. Is the algo clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the algo clear? See, method was, you saw the method. That is why you were able to do this algorithm. अगर method नहीं समझ आता तो algo कर ही नहीं पाते. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this was pre-order. Now we have to go to in order traversal, and let us do in order. Should I erase the pre-order? This method, this step-by-step method is given in your book. So in order says what?
Left, right.
आपकी आवाज कम क्यों हो गई? समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
सर इसको डायग्राम के साथ ही समझ सकते हैं, स्टैक की डायग्राम से.
देखो जो the method we did using stack, yes, that was the method. After the method we did the algo, because method is for that example. Algo is for general for all trees.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should we move up in order?
Yes, sir.
In order says
Left, right.
left,
root, right.
And I insist to you people, please study these 3 algorithms today only. Then you will be able to memorize it for a long time. अगर आपने इसको कल या परसों पढ़ा तो maybe some things you will skip. So in order is the tree I am going to solve is this: A, C, E. Then I have B, D, G, K, and HLM. So this tree we are going to solve use for in order. तो इस ट्री का अगर मैं इन ऑर्डर लिखूं तो सबसे पहले टर्म कौन सी आएगी? K. Exactly. बिल्कुल सही. K. तो in order says left, root, right. Left, root, right. And see, first step is same. What do we put to stack? 5. And why I put this 5? Because this 5 at end will tell me the whole tree has been traversed. The tree traversing is complete. Now what do you need to do? आपको ये पूरी की पूरी आम कहां डालनी है स्टैक में? A, B, D, G, K. क्यों? What stack will give me the first element? K. And जब मैं इसका इन ऑर्डर लिखूंगा मुझे K ही चाहिए सबसे पहले.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do? Please see, I cannot write all the steps on the board. I will show you on the screen. Pop K and process. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Left is done. Then left के बाद क्या लेते हैं? Root. G. Pop G and process. Left is done. Then root. Pop D and process. Left के बाद root होता है. Root के बाद क्या होता है?
Right.
तो ये वाली स्ट्रीम जैसे ये डाली थी, ये वाली स्ट्रीम भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे. अगर H होता तो H डाल देता. Now pop L and process. Left. See ना? In order says left, root, right. So left, root, left, root. Left is done. Root is done. तो right वाली ये स्ट्रीम कहां डाल देते हैं? स्टैक में. M processed, B processed, A processed. तो ये वाली स्ट्रीम कहां डाल देंगे? In stack. E processed, C processed, done. Should I repeat? See the steps again. What I did, I put the leftmost stream on the stack. A, B, D, G, and K. Pop K and process. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pop
Yes,
G
sir.
and process. पॉप डी एन प्रोसेस।
Yes, sir.
पर जब रूट लेफ्ट के बाद रूट होगा उसके बाद राइट होगा तो ये वाली स्ट्रीम स्टैक में डाल देंगे एच एंड एल। पॉप एल एन प्रोसेस, पॉप एच एन प्रोसेस, तो जब रूट करते हैं ये वाली स्ट्रीम स्टैक में डाल देते हैं। एम पॉप एम एन प्रोसेस, पॉप बी एन प्रोसेस, पॉप ए एन प्रोसेस, ए रूट था तो दिस स्ट्रीम वी विल पुट इन स्टैक सी एन ई, लेफ्ट मोस्ट स्ट्रीम। ई एन प्रोसेस, सी प्रोसेस, डन। इजी था ये।
Yes, sir.
And please see on the screen this full method I explained you. A B D G के स्टैक में डाला, K then G then D, जब D निकाला तो H and L स्टैक में डाल दिया, then L then H then M डाल दिया, M done, B done, A then C E डाल दिया, E done, C done, stack is empty. Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
ये लेफ्ट मोस्ट स्ट्रीम स्टैक में क्यों डाला? आई हैव टोल्ड यू, यस और नो?
Yes.
See na, why I put this leftmost stream on stack? The leftmost stream was A, B, D, G, K. Stack will give me first K, and if I write the in order of this algo, K will come first because I have to process K first. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should we go for its algo?
Yes, sir.
Let us do it. Okay, let us do its algo. So this is the algo for in order on your screen. The first step is same. Top is 1. Stack of 1 is null. Pointer will start from. Root. And मुझे क्या करना है? Leftmost stream stack में डालनी है. तो repeat while pointer is not null. Top is equal to top plus 1. Stack of top is equal to pointer. Pointer is at root. Which node? See the diagram A. I will put A to the stack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And pointer will move to left. Pointer will come on B. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat this? Should I repeat this algo?
Yes, sir.
First step is clear. Stack is 1 is 5. Pointer start from root.
Yes, sir.
First step is clear or not? It is same as previous algo.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now see, second step. What I need to do, I need to put that leftmost stream A, B, D, G, K into the stack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I have written repeat while pointer is not equal to null. Pointer is at root, and which is my root node in the diagram? A. तो top is equal to top plus 1. Stack के top में डाल दिया A. और pointer कहाँ चला गया?
Left.
Left में. Left node is B. तो top को increment करा और उसको भी stack के top में डाल दिया. फिर left में चले गए. Next node is D. Then again incremented top and D को भी stack में डाल दिया. फिर left में चले गए G. उसको भी stack में डाल दिया. K. Again stack में डाल दिया. तो जब ये सेकंड स्टेप का लूप एंड होगा मेरे स्टैक में क्या होगा? A, B, D, G, K.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because K के बाद मुझे लेफ्ट मिलना बंद हो जाएगा, तब लूप एंड हो जाएगी. तो स्टैक में क्या है अभी?
A, B, D, G, K.
A, B, D, G, K. तो सबसे पहले मैं तो स्टैक के टॉप से K निकालूंगा. थर्ड स्टेप प्रोसेस करने के लिए.
Yes, sir.
और फिफ्थ स्टेप पे इसको क्या करूंगा?
Repeat.
प्रोसेस. पांचवें स्टेप पे K को प्रोसेस कर दिया ना जो स्टैक से निकाला थर्ड स्टेप से.
Yes, sir.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. सेकंड स्टेप इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
A, B, D, G के स्टैक में चला गया. स्टैक के टॉप से क्या निकाला पॉइंटर में? K. और पांचवें स्टेप में इसको क्या कर दिया? प्रोसेस. और हम चेक करेंगे. ओके, K का राइट है क्या?
No, sir.
नो. तो हम अगली आइटम निकालेंगे K के बाद. दैट इज G. G को भी फिर से करेंगे प्रोसेस. इज देयर हैविंग एनी राइट ऑफ G?
No, sir.
नो. नेक्स्ट नोट निकालेंगे D. प्रोसेस D. इज D हैविंग एनी राइट?
Yes, sir.
यस. तो हम चले जाए. सिक्स स्टेप का A देखिए. right child question mark. We are checking is there any right pointer is not null, that means D का right है. तो पॉइंटर कहां पे आ जाएगा? राइट ऑफ पॉइंटर, यानी कहां पे? H पे.
Yes, sir.
और ये वाली स्ट्रीम H और L वाली कहां डालनी है वापस? स्टैक में. वो कौन सा स्टेप डाल रहा था? सेकंड स्टेप. तो लिखा है गो टू स्टेप 3 लिखा है, आपको लिखना है गो टू स्टेप 2. राइट में आके फिर गो टू स्टेप 2 चला जाना है, ताकि वो लेफ्ट मी स्ट्रीम आई नीड टू पुट टू स्टैक अगेन. ओके. और सातवां स्टेप, जब एलिमेंट मिलना बंद हो जाता है तो कहां से लेते हैं?
Top stack में.
स्टैक से. ले, दिस इज द एल्गो. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Please everyone respond.
Yes, sir.
Please don't feel low, because this thing is bit tough. It is not that easy. That is why I'm asking you to study these algorithms today only. I repeat this algo, what we did. First step, stack 1, I put null. Please hold for a second. Please hold for a second. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Let us do this algorithm again. Let us do this algorithm again. So stack 1 null pointer is root. First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Everybody respond.
Yes, sir.
Second step, we need to do what? We need to put this A, B, D, G, K into the stack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the loop. लेफ्ट में जाते जाएंगे, उसको स्टैक में डालते जाएंगे. K के बाद मुझे पॉइंटर नल आ जाएगा. सेकंड स्टेप इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes.
तो सेकंड स्टेप की आउटपुट क्या होगी? A, B, D, G, K into the stack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो थर्ड स्टेप, स्टैक के टॉप से K निकालेंगे, बिकॉज K नीड्स टू बी प्रोसेस फर्स्ट.
Yes, sir.
तो टॉप इज टॉप -1 we do when we pop. तो फिफ्थ स्टेप, we process K and
Yes,
then
sir.
check is K having any right?
No, sir.
No. Then we pick the next element, that is G. Process G. Is G having any right?
No, sir.
No. Pick the next element D. Process D. Is D having any right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू राइट ऑफ पॉइंटर. पॉइंटर राइट में आ जाएगा H पे, और ये वाली स्ट्रीम कहां डाल देंगे?
Stack में.
H और L. और वो कौन सा स्टेप है?
Second.
तो we have written go to step. We have to write here go to step 2. और जब एलिमेंट नहीं मिलता तो कहां से लेते हैं? सेवेंथ स्टेप, स्टैक से. इज इट इजी नाउ?
Yes, sir.
इज इट इजी नाउ एवरीवन?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go for the last algorithm, that is your post order. Post order. The same tree I am going to solve using post order. Post order says what?
Left, right, root.
Left, right root. So post order. Again I will do the, it says left, right, root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, again I will do the same thing. Stack में क्या डालूंगा? 5. First step. Second step. 5 के साथ मुझे ये लेफ्ट मोस्ट स्ट्रीम कहां डालनी है? Like in order. Like in order. But what is the difference? We will put like this. First node is, what is its right?
A, B, D, G.
K. Exactly. What is right of A?
C.
C. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So minus of C. A minus C. Then B. D. What is the right of D?
H.
माइनस H, G and K, इस तरीके से डालेंगे, because this will tell me minus C and H are right nodes. माइनस से डालने का ये फायदा हुआ. In order we were putting A, B, D, G, K. Post order we need to put A minus C, B, D minus H, G, K. Is it clear? The right nodes have to be put as minus. Is it clear now? Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see on the screen, pop K and process. Pop G and process. Okay. Now next is what?
H.
Minus H. So minus H is telling me it is a right node. So minus H I will pop from the stack and I will add plus H. Why? Because H turn has come. I repeat what I did. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
I process K, I process G, I take out minus H and add plus H. Okay?
Yes.
Now, again वही चीज जो स्त्री के लिए चलाई थी, माइनस M एंड राइट वाला नेगेटिव करके लेफ्ट में जाना है. Yes or no?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
I say this is T here. इससे एक स्टेप और आ जाएगा. Pop Ln process, pop minus M and add
Plus
M. Pop Mn process, pop Hn process, pop Bn process. Okay. Pop minus C and add
C.
C. And right वाला वही.
Minus T.
Pop En process, pop minus C and add
T.
T. T process, C process, A process. I repeat what we did. It was A minus C, B, D minus H, G and K. Yes or no? A minus C, B, D minus H, G, K. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pop Kn process, right? Pop Gn process.
इसी वाले प्रोसेस में डाउट है सर.
हाँ, ये वाले. Please tell me. In which step here?
D के बाद फिर H लेते हैं ना सर.
जी. C ना, C. I tell you. Because left right root होता है इसमें. H के बाद D होगा. Yes or no? Please respond.
सर एक बार और.
I repeat. ये क्लियर है? ये स्टेप क्लियर है या नहीं? ये वाला स्ट्रीम स्टैक में डाल रहे हैं. A minus C, B, D minus H, G and K. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is in top?
K.
K. Pop Kn process.
Yes, sir.
Pop Gn process. Next is what?
Yes. Minus H.
Minus H. We will take out minus H and add
H.
H. And वही चीज चलेगी जो यहां पे चलाई थी. A minus C. Minus M and L. मुझे लेफ्ट में जाना है. Taking right element as negative. This is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Same thing we did here. Same thing I am doing here. H minus M L. जैसे किया था A minus C B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pop Ln process. Pop
Yes.
minus M and add.
M.
But M is not having any left and right. अगर होता तो उसको भी नेगेटिव करके डालता. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pop Mn process.
Yes, sir.
Pop Hn process. Pop Dn process. Pop Bn process. Now we have what? Minus C.
Minus C.
We will take out minus C and add
C.
T. And then same.
Minus
Taking
T.
right element as negative. Minus TE. Pop E end process. Pop minus T and add T. T processed, C processed, A processed. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत easy है. See, again, the things I told you, you can see on your screen. This is given step by step. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Please see it today only and let us start with its algorithm. So top is initially 1, stack 1 is null, pointer is root. First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Second step, push the leftmost part onto the stack, taking right element as
Negative.
negative. See third step, pointer is at root and which is your root node?
A.
A. So third step, I will put A to the stack. When I will put A to the stack, fourth step, I will check, is it having any right child? If right pointer is not null, that means right child है. तो right को क्या करते हैं?
Minus.
Minus, check, top is equal to top plus 1 and stack of top is minus right PTR. This fourth step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right को negative करके कहाँ चले जाते हैं?
Left.
Fifth step, left में A minus C B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Third, fourth, fifth step is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Or I should repeat, please tell me. Is it
Fifth
clear?
number, sir.
Should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Pointer is at root, tell me which is the root node. In example,
A.
A. Third step, I put A to the stack.
Yes, sir.
Pointer is at root na, and I have put A to the stack.
Yes.
Now I will check. If right pointer is not null, that means उस नोड का right है या नहीं है. अगर है तो क्या करेंगे? माइनस करके स्टैक में डाल देंगे.
Minus.
Yes, sir.
Step C, top is equal to
Yes.
top plus 1, stack of top is minus right. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And pointer
Yes,
कहाँ चला
sir.
जाएगा?
Left now.
लेफ्ट में. तो ये स्टेप 2 की लूप है. इट्स आउटपुट विल बी वही A minus C B D minus H G K. तो एलिमेंट हम कहां से लेंगे? 6 स्टेप
Stack.
स्टैक से. इज इट ग्रेटर देन 0 मींस इट इज पॉजिटिव K.
Yes, sir.
तो वी विल प्रोसेस इट.
Yes.
और नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट कहां से ले लेंगे?
Yes.
Stack.
स्टैक से. 8वां स्टेप,
Stack.
इफ PTR इज लेस देन 0 दैट मींस नंबर इज नेगेटिव, एलिमेंट इज नेगेटिव. तो नेगेटिव को क्या कर देते हैं? पॉजिटिव. तो पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू माइनस
Yes.
पॉइंटर,
Yes, sir.
वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. और स्टेप 2 पे वापस चल जाएंगे उसकी स्ट्रिंग को स्टैक में डालने के लिए. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy? See, this will be easy for a longer time if you study this topic today only.
सर फिफ्थ स्टेप से रिपीट कर दो.
I repeat fifth step. See, third step से repeat कर रहा हूँ. You put A onto the stack and you check its right is there or not. If right pointer is not null, that means there is right. You put that element into the stack by putting a minus sign. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A minus C. Then you move to left.
Yes.
Pointer is equal to left of pointer. Step 5.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
या ना? A minus C के बाद अब B पे चले जाते हैं ना लेफ्ट में. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
अब ये लेफ्ट क्या करेगा? सेकंड थर्ड स्टेप पे वापस जाएगा और लेफ्ट को भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे. और इस लेफ्ट का चेक करेंगे. Is B having any right?
No, sir.
No.
Yes.
B is not having any right. Yeah. Then again we will move to left. B का लेफ्ट D. D को स्टैक में डालेंगे और D का राइट चेक करेंगे. क्या D का राइट है?
Yes, sir.
एंड माइनस करके उसको भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे. तो ये थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ स्टेप इज the output which is given to me A minus C B D minus H G K. Third fourth fifth step is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now sixth step I will pop K from stack, the top element. I will check it is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, I will process it. And B, I will pick the next element from the stack. And 8th step, if BTR is less than 0, that means number is negative.
Yes.
What do? We convert it to positive.
Positive. Yes.
Pointer is equal to minus pointer, वो positive हो जाएगा. And उसके लिए वापस वो rule चलेगा जो step 2 पे था. वो उसकी स्क्रीन जो स्टैक में डालनी है, राइट को नेगेटिव करके, जैसे हमने एच पे किया था, -ml. Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trust me, I know this is a bit challenging topic, and but all you need to do is I will share this video today on your YouTube channel, and I will share it with you. But I want you people to please see this today only.